Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to print a string 3 times or multiple times, let's say. Now I would like to print hello world, this phrase, 3 times using a while loop. In order to do that, first of all, I initialize my iterating variable. It is initialized to be equal to 0. It's of integer type and it is called count. I would like to continue my while loop as long as this count is less than 3, meaning that it starts at 0, it will be 1 and 2. So we are going to have 3 iterations as exactly as this number that we were having here. So we would like to print it 3 times. In the first iteration, 0 is less than 3, yes. So we're going to enter this while loop, we print the hello world, and we increment the count. So now count is 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes. So we are going to print the hello world one more time. Then we are going to increment the value from 1 to 2. So 2 less than 3. Yes. Hello world is being printed. Now it will become 3, the count variable. So from 2 it became 3. So 3, is it less than 3? No. If it was less than or equal to 3, this statement was true. But now it says 3 less than 3. No, it's not true. We're not going to enter the while loop anymore. Looking at the terminal, we see that hello world is being printed 3 times, exactly as we want it here. Thank you for watching.